student, myself Vinod Panara, and today we discuss some topic of IC engine chapter of subject BME, that is Basic Mechanical Engineering. So in today lecture we have to start with chapter IC engine. Now first we know that heat engine is a device which convert chemical energy of fuel into heat energy, and this heat energy is utilized for mechanical work. So heat engine convert chemical energy of fuel into heat energy, and this heat energy is utilized for mechanical work. Now first we have to start with types of heat engine. So first one, external combustion engine. Now external combustion engine, in which combustion of fuel that is outside the cylinder, and in internal combustion engine, combustion of fuel is inside the cylinder. So in EC engine, combustion outside the cylinder. In IC engine, combustion of fuel is inside the cylinder. Now we have to start with classification of IC engine. IC means internal combustion engine. So first classification, based on number of stroke per cycle. It means one cycle require how many stroke. So in that, first one, 4-stroke engine. In 4-stroke engine, one cycle completed in 4 stroke. And second, 2-stroke engine. In 2-stroke engine, one cycle completed in 2 stroke. So 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine. Now second one, based on thermodynamic cycle use. So first one, Otto cycle engine. So petrol engine work on Otto cycle. And second one, diesel cycle engine. So diesel engine work on diesel cycle. So there are mainly 2 cycles based on thermodynamic cycle. Now third one, based on number of cylinder. So single cylinder engine. In this engine there is only one cylinder for power production. And multi-cylinder engine, in this engine more than one cylinder is used, 2 cylinder, 3 cylinder, etc. Next one, based on arrangement of cylinder. So in that, first, inline engine. Now what do you mean by inline engine? If there are 3-cylinder engine and 3-cylinder connect in one line, then that is called inline engine. So in inline engine, all the cylinders are connected in one line. Second, V engine. So in V engine, cylinder arranged in V shape. And third, radial engine. In radial engine, cylinder are arranged in circular shape. That is radial shape. So that is radial engine. Then next one, based on ignition system. Now ignition system is used for combustion of fuel. So based on ignition system, first one, SI engine. SI means spark ignition engine. So petrol engine is also called SI engine. Second, CI engine, that is compression ignition engine, and diesel engine is also called CI engine. The next one, based on cooling system. So cooling system is mainly used for cooling purpose, because during combustion of fuel inside the cylinder there is a large amount of heat is produced. So if we control this temperature limit, so we have to use cooling system. Now there are mainly 2 type of cooling system used in IC engine. First, water-cooled engine in which water is a use for cooling purpose, and second, air-cooled engine in which air is used for cooling purpose. Okay. Now we have to start with some engine detail. It means we have to discuss some part of basic engine. Now this is simple diagram of engine in which there are piston, cylinder, connecting rod, crank, crank pin, inlet valve, outlet valve, and piston pin. So these are simple main part of engine. Now in engine, piston move in reciprocating motion. It means top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom. And crank rotate in circular direction, rotary motion. So there are mainly two motion. Crank rotate in rotary motion, and due to that piston move in upward downward, upward downward. Okay. Now we have to start with first component of engine, that is cylinder. So cylinder of an IC engine have to withstand very high pressure up to 70 bar and temperature up to 2500 degrees Celsius, because the combustion of fuel that is inside the cylinder. So in IC engine, combustion of fuel that is inside the cylinder, and due to combustion of fuel, very high temperature, high pressure gas release, and cylinder withstand this amount of pressure. Now, material used for manufacturing of cylinder is cast iron or alloy steel. This material is used for manufacturing of cylinder which withstand high pressure and high temperature gas. Now second one, that is cylinder head, cylinder top position. So the function of cylinder head is to seal top end of cylinder. It means top end of cylinder. Third one, that is piston. That is most important part of any engine. So piston transmit the gas force to connecting rod, and hence it is transmitted to crank. So above the piston there is a combustion of fuel, and piston transmit this gas force to the connecting rod, and connecting rod transmit to the crank. Okay. Now piston is made from cast iron and aluminium alloy, since it requires strength. So it is made from cast iron and aluminium alloy. Then next one, that is piston ring. So piston ring, around the piston there is a ring provided which make tight contact between cylinder. So piston ring mounted around the piston, so that there is a tight contact between piston and cylinder, and hence there is a no leakage of gas from upper side to lower side. So piston ring that is mounted around the piston, and it is made from cast iron and are provided to prevent the leakage of gas to the crankcase. Okay. Then piston pin. It connects the piston to small end of connecting rod, and it is made from hardened steel in the shape of spindle. So piston pin is generally used to connect piston to the connecting rod. Then connecting rod, it transmit gas force to the crank. It convert reciprocating motion of piston into rotary motion of crankshaft. reciprocating motion and rotary motion. So it converts reciprocating motion of piston into rotary motion of crankshaft. Then crank and crankshaft. So crank is the integral part of crankshaft, and crank and crankshaft are steel forged. It means it is made from steel in the process of forging and machined to smooth finish. Then crankcase. So crank, crankshaft and main bearing, these all are placed inside the crankcase. So crankcase, that is a box in which these all elements are placed. Then flywheel. Its function is to smooth out the cyclic fluctuation of torque developed by engine during cycle. So during cycle, there is a fluctuation of torque. High amount of torque produced, low amount of torque produced during certain stage. So flywheel controls this fluctuation of torque. It means it constantly produces same amount of torque by flywheel. Then valve. So there are mainly two valves used: suction valve and discharge valve, or it is also called outlet valve. So inlet valve and outlet valve. Now these valves are operated by cam mechanism. Okay. Then spark plug. Spark plug is mainly used in petrol engine and it provides spark to the fuel so that combustion of fuel start. Then carburetor. Carburetor is a use for proper mixture of fuel and air, and then this mixture transfer into cylinder. And last one, that is fuel injector. So it is used to inject atomized fuel to the cylinder under a very high pressure in case of CI engine, compression ignition engine. So fuel injector is used to inject fuel to the cylinder. So in this lecture we discuss classification of IC engine, and then we discuss engine detail. It means basic part of engine: cylinder, piston, connecting rod, crank, inlet valve, outlet valve, piston pin, crankshaft, fuel injector, spark plug and carburetor, etc. Okay. Thank you for today's lecture.